Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode we're doing another epoxy pour on a planter, and this is the one that I'm going to show you how we made. Alright, for this one we're going to go with some bright colors, so we're using Rustoleum key lime gloss as our base, so that way when we put our epoxy on top, when it does thin out in sections, it's not nearly as noticeable. So yeah, we're going to use our rotisserie since it's up there and just spray it. To start with, we're going to do 8 ounces of part A. Perfect. And then we'll do another 8 ounces of part B. Alright, and then we'll mix this for 5 minutes. Alright, after a quick battery change on the drill, we got 5 minutes of mixing, so now we're going to divvy this out into about what I think we're going to need. And I think we're going to do more blue than anything, so we'll do more blue, some of this really bright blue, maybe equal part green. So we're going to add in some of this powdered pigment. This is really cool with a lot of glitter in it, so I think we're going to go heavy on that. That's also very bright, so we'll do some of that. And let's go heavy on that too, why not? So starting with our lightest color, alright, so now since we're doing the dirty pour method, we're going to try some silver metallic in between and just see how that looks. And we're just going to start pouring in different colors. Some silver in between. Alright, we're ready to start pouring it on then. Alright, so we're going to take our epoxy and start pouring it on. This first coat is really just trying to get some coverage. Then we'll work into different patterns. blowtorch over it real quick. So that's pretty level, so now I'm just going to come back through and add in some darker colors. Alright, I think that's pretty good as far as coloring. We'll just let it keep rolling and letting the colors blend, and yeah, we'll let this go for about 45 minutes till the epoxy is hard enough that it won't drip, and we'll take a look at it and see what we end up with. Alright, so it's been about 24 hours since we did our pour. And we let it spin for about an hour after doing our pour, just to let everything kind of cure up, because if you stop it, it'll just kind of want to drip down. So I found that about an hour of letting it spin after doing the pour, it's solid enough that it won't drip. So this one I think is good enough to take off. Alright, so pull this off. Alright, so this one turned out really kind of cool. Let me get you in here for a close-up so you can see all the interesting like patterning that came out on this one. You can see it came with like a really high gloss, and all the metallics that came through gave it a really kind of cool texture. And just the way that the epoxy thins out in some spots, like you can see the green that we painted with beforehand, and a little bit down here as well. But I think it gives it a cool look though, so. So if you like these kind of projects, please like and subscribe. So type below if there's something else that you think would be kind of a cool direction to try.